Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Thing here, and this is why I talk about what the European colonial masters did to Africa in those days when they went to divide the African continent just like a piece of cake in Berlin during the evil Berlin conference. I mean, we are just one people in Africa. Can you imagine that I'm on one side of the road is Malawi? If I cross this road now, I am directly stepping into the soils of Mozambique. I have never been to Mozambique before, but I'm about to get into Mozambique right now. So tell me, why do we have to be different nations? These people here are colonized by the English-speaking nations of Europe, and this one Portuguese-speaking nations of Europe. So if you're here in Malawi, you're speaking English, if you cross the road, you're going to have to learn how to speak Portuguese. Think about that. But then when you come to the vernacular, you talk about local language, these two people speak exactly the same language. But then they were colonized by two different colonial masters. So actually the borders we have in Africa are fake borders. I have been saying this over and over and over again. Our borders in Africa are fake. I was telling one of my hosts yesterday night that can you believe that for you to travel from Nigeria to come to southern African nations, we have to have visas. We have to pay so much. Actually, what it costs for you to travel from Nigeria to Malawi, South Africa, and all these places is almost more than what it costs for you to travel from Nigeria to Europe and to America. Why do we have to live like this? It is simply because they do not want us to integrate as Africans. They don't want us to be able to know one another. We were just one people before they divided us and then created this crazy, crazy boundaries that has now divided us heavily. This is what is happening in Africa. If I want to place a phone call from Nigeria to Ghana, I pay so much more, like 50 times more than I would pay if I want to place a phone call from Nigeria to United States of America. And this is what we're going through in Africa. And I am asking myself, if African Union has not been hijacked, if ECOWAS Union has not been hijacked, why aren't they doing more to integrate Africans, to make us get to meet ourselves so that we can get to know one another? We are brothers estranged by satanic colonial devils who created fake artificial borders that has now gotten into our brains, and now psychologically we feel so divided amongst ourselves. Almost like what you see when you're traveling from Nigeria to Ghana. You see Benin Republic, and then you see Togo, and then you see Ghana. Think about that. So when you get to a flower border in Ghana, what you are looking at is the Volta region of Ghana. They speak Ewe. When you cross, before you move from Togo into that Aflao, that's the Ghana part of Aflao, what you're going to see is the same people all the way down to almost half of Togo. They are speaking the same native language. But when you walk into Ghana, you have to speak English. And then when you are on the other side of the border, which is Togo, the same people still, you have to speak French. Now look what is happening here. I am about to cross the road. If you doubt me, I will show you their flag. I will cross the road right now and I'm going to get into Mozambique. So I traveled here to come and see Malawi, but I'm about to go into Mozambique without any visa. Don't tell anybody. Watch. Okay, so you see, I'm right here now. I just crossed the road, and I'm not joking. You saw me literally cross the road. Like, I literally just walked across on the other side of the road, and I'm in a different country. And what is this place called? The same Lizulu. So it's Lizulu in Mozambique, it's Lizulu in Malawi. And look at the flag. It's Mozambican flag. Look at the people. They are in Mozambique. You can pan the camera to show them. You guys, hey, is this Mozambique? This is Mozambique, right? We're in Mozambique. Here you go. You see that? Exactly. You see that? We are in Mozambique, and that right there is Malawi. So you see, the borders we have in Africa are fake. They are fake. These people are the same people. Their relatives are right over there. The ones here have relatives right over here. But the borders that the colonial masters put here has now separated these people diplomatically. So if these guys are here, they want to cross over on the other side, the police, they say sometimes when they're driving and they want to evade police checkpoints, they actually just ride on this side of the road so that the police from Malawi does not check them. Can you imagine? The same people. So I kind of wanted to just do this video to let us know that African Union, the time has come for us to begin to dismantle this satanic, fake, artificial borders that the colonial masters have imposed on us. The time has come for us to begin to build together, think together, work together, integrate together. Let the estranged brothers and sisters begin to now reunite. Let's destroy the borders and come together as one people. Start with telecommunications. Start with diplomatic passports and all kinds of travel documents. Start with all these things. Let the people in Nigeria have so much ease coming to Malawi. Let us be able to visit one another. Let us stop all these unnecessary visa applications and stuff by going here. But when a white man wants to come and visit our continent, they come with their visas and pick up their visas, their passports, and they get their visas on arrival. But I have to wait until my visa is sent to me to be able to come and visit my own brothers and sisters in the African continent. What nonsense is that? 21st century. Why do we still live like this? It doesn't make any sense. Enough is enough. One love. Back to Malawi, guys. All right, let's go to Malawi from Mozambique. Right here. Okay, goodbye, Mozambique.